Check out our newest feature release. We now have bulk actions and the ability to search for conversational AI bots. Introducing enhanced conversational AI capabilities with bulk actions and improved search functionality for crawled and uploaded links. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. With this new feature update, you can quickly train AI bots by performing bulk actions. So you can do things in bulk much more quickly. You can also enhance bot training with the ability to efficiently manage and recall information. You'll also be able to easily locate and review uploaded links with an improved search functionality. I love this feature update because it just shows our commitment to really having the best AI bot in the industry. And with these new feature updates, it's really going to get a lot easier while you are creating and perfecting your AI bot. First, you're going to go ahead and access settings within your account. From there, our next goal is to upload new links. And so what we're going to do is in the settings area, we're going to go to Conversation AI. Then you're going to make sure that you tick the bot training, and then you're going to click on the uploaded links. And here in this example, you can see that I have 0 uploaded links. Now you can go ahead and utilize this new refresh button, and this is going to show you different things. So as you can see in my example, we have one that is officially trained and another that is still getting data. So to access all of these uploaded links, you're going to select the link that you want to train. You're going to utilize the bulk actions, and then you can go ahead and refresh. Now, let's look at all of these access links labeled as trained. This is great. This means that everything, either a link or a file that you have uploaded, is officially trained. Now you have no question on if it has processed the information that you've included or if it's not ready to go. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.